Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the order number format on Shopify by adding a prefix and suffix to your order numbers. This can be a very handy feature if you want to organize your orders more effectively or if you're looking to customize the order IDs for better tracking and identification within your business. Tailoring these numbers can add a touch of personalization to your Shopify store, and I'll show you just how simple it is to do this. Before we begin, it's worth mentioning that customizing your order numbers doesn't affect your financial reporting, Shopify billing, or the internal order sequence that Shopify uses. This is purely cosmetic, but extremely useful from an operational standpoint. Many business owners use it to separate wholesale orders from retail, identify product lines at a glance, or add branding to internal documents. To start, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll find the Settings option. This is your command center for everything related to your shop's configuration. From here, scroll down until you find the section labeled Order ID. This is where the magic happens. You'll see fields designated for a prefix and a suffix. These are the additional characters that will be added to your order numbers. Adding a prefix or a suffix can be incredibly useful, especially if you have multiple storefronts or if you wish to categorize orders in a particular way for business processes or marketing strategies. Each variation can tell you exactly where an order is coming from or what type of product it pertains to, right at a glance. If you've ever found yourself struggling to keep track of orders or need that additional layer of order differentiation, adding these small annotations can save time and effort significantly. Here's an extra tip. If you have a team handling fulfillment or customer service, adding short strategic prefixes can actually reduce communication errors. For example, RET- for retail, WHL- for wholesale, or INT- for international orders can help staff instantly understand order context. So how do you actually change these settings? Just click on the text field under prefix, and you can type in any combination of letters or numbers you'd like to appear before every order number. This could be something as simple as WD for web orders, or even a date code if you prefer. Next, move on to the suffix field and add whatever additional code you would like to come to you after your order numbers. Maybe you want to label these orders by quarter or even specify a particular department they belong to. If you've got an idea of how you want to personalize it, these small changes can make tracking so much easier. Another useful note: Shopify does not allow you to reset your order numbers back to zero, but prefixes and suffixes give you a creative workaround if you ever want to restart a sequence for a new year or new business cycle. For example, adding 2025- at the beginning of an order ID gives you a clean yearly format without modifying Shopify's internal numbering system. Once you've input your desired prefix and suffix, don't forget this crucial step. Go ahead and click the Save button. This simple click ensures that all your changes are applied. After saving, don't be alarmed if your current order numbers don't immediately reflect these changes. They will only be applied to new orders placed afterward. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully customized how your Shopify order numbers appear. We hope this small feature improves your efficiency. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and follow our channel for more handy Shopify tips. Until next time, happy selling. Finally, if you'd like a full Shopify tutorial playlist or help with other features like automated order tagging, Shopify apps, or custom workflows, let me know in the comments and I'll create more videos for you.